Create and manage WhatsApp templates effortlessly with Trikon's platform. In this video, we'll show you how to create a Meta-approved template using Trikon's WhatsApp marketing and automation platform. Let's get started. Navigate to the Templates section and click on Create Template. Start by entering a template name and selecting the language. Next, choose the template type, marketing or utility. Marketing templates are used for promotions and campaigns, while utility templates are used for transactional messages. Now, begin building your template content. Start with a text template, where you can add plain text and include dynamic variables for personalization. You can also choose media templates, allowing you to add images, videos, or documents along with your message. For interactive messages, use call to action buttons. Add buttons such as phone number, website links, voice call, or copy code. You can also include quick reply buttons to let users respond instantly with predefined options. For more advanced use cases, use multimedia templates. Combine text, media, headers, footers, and action buttons in a single message. You can also create carousel templates, where multiple cards can be added, each with its own title, content, and buttons. Each card can include quick replies, URLs, or phone number actions. Another option is the list picker, where you can provide up to 10 selectable items for users to choose from. As you build your template, you can view a live preview on the right side. Once completed, submit the template for approval. The template will be reviewed and approved by Meta platforms. After approval, you can view all your templates in the template history section, along with their status and details. You can also open any template to view its complete configuration and preview. With Trikon, creating powerful and interactive WhatsApp templates is simple and efficient. Start building smarter conversations with Trikon today.